If you've been wondering how to disable alt text in Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting that controls AI-generated alt text and how to turn it off so Word stops suggesting it automatically. This is especially useful if you prefer to add accessibility text manually, if you want more control over your document content, or if you simply don't want Word generating descriptions for images behind the scenes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and make sure you're in the document where you want to change the setting. Once Word is open, look at the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where all of Word's settings and preferences are stored. From there, go down and select Options. This is where you can customize how Word behaves on your device. Inside the Word Options window, look for Accessibility in the sidebar. Depending on your version of Word, this may appear under the General Settings list, but the Accessibility section is what you want. Click Accessibility to open the related options. Here, Word gives you controls for features that assist with document readability and content suggestions. Now look for the Alt Text section. In this area, you should see a setting that says Enable the option to generate alt text using AI. If that box is checked, Word can automatically suggest alt text for images using artificial intelligence. To disable that feature, simply uncheck the box. Once it's unchecked, Word will stop generating AI-based alt text suggestions. After you've made the change, click OK to save your settings and close the options window. That's it. The feature is now turned off. You can continue working in Word normally, and if you insert images, you'll have more manual control over how alt text is handled. If you ever want to turn the feature back on later, just repeat the same steps. Go to File, Open Options, select Accessibility, and recheck the AI Alt Text option. It only takes a few seconds to reverse the setting. So to recap, the path is File, Options, Accessibility, then under Alt Text, uncheck Enable the option to generate alt text using AI. Yes, this is That's the fastest way to disable alt text generation in Word and take back control of your image descriptions. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Word tips, office shortcuts, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.